Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Whoever followed the last week video, you might be profitable. If you are not profitable, if you miss last week video, and then if you couldn't trade according to my suggestion, no need to worry because sometimes it happens. Okay, so follow this week video and then you might be definitely profitable. Every week is my analysis and prediction. Price action moved exactly as my prediction. Okay, so last week what I have predicted is that let me see. Last week the price when price opened at that time it was around 12,600 level, and my prediction was that it will go up to 12,800 level, and from that level it will go down and at least it will go 12,100 level. That was my prediction. Look here guys, at least 700, okay, at least 700 point you would have a profit even if you sold in 12,100 level. If you still didn't sell that there, other than if still you wait, you might have better profit. Okay, so that was the last week. Check my last week chart, what type of chart I have created. If you followed exactly that chart, you might be profitable. And what I have mentioned in that video, check that video also, and then you can see what I have mentioned, what you have done, and if you have a profitable based on that video. Thank you very much for following that video, and congratulations for you to be profitable. If you missed that video, do not worry, just follow this video and then follow this week. And if you have any question, anything else, just you can write down in the comment box. And if you like the video, thumb up. If you want this type of a video every week, just subscribe it so that you'll not miss this type of video. You'll get notification as soon as I upload the video. Okay, so now let's go for this week. What will happen for this week, guys? What's your prediction? This week is a crucial week because this week Fed decision is coming and future Fed's policy, economic policy is going to be released. Based on that, market will go. Okay, you need to check those data. You need to listen that Powell's speech, and based on that, you need to trade. Okay, so my prediction for this week, before going analysis and prediction, let me quickly see what type of data are going to be released in this week. Okay, alright guys, this week on Monday there is no major data. Tuesday, building permits. Wednesday, existing home sales, crude oil inventory, FOMC economic projection, Fed interest rate decision, and FOMC press conference. Okay, these are the major data. On Thursday, there is initial jobless claim, ISM manufacturing PMI, and Friday, there is no major data. Alright guys, you have checked the data for this week, and on Wednesday major data are going to be released. Wednesday is the major day for the Nasdaq 100 future. That's the reason you need to be very clever what type of data are going to be released, or what type of interest rate are going to be released that day, and then what type of economic policy is going to be formulated. You need to listen that Powell's speech, and based on that you need to trade. Okay, at the moment market is here at 11,880 level, this level, and there is immediate support level 11,800. Okay, when you see this hourly chart here, the first candle that crossed this moving average, and the second candle, that's the confirmation candle, and the third candle also, that's a green. Okay, so it is very likely to go market up. Okay, Monday, Tuesday market is going to be up. Okay, that's the prediction. And if you check daily chart, check here daily chart also shows that here you can see this chart. Here you can see here that this candle, have you seen this candle? This candle shows that it is very likely to go market up. okay? So that at the moment selling is very risky because the market is already down and then it is trying to rebound, okay? It is trying to gain that last week loss. That's the reason I do not recommend anyone to sell at this moment, okay? This moment you don't need to sell, just try to buy at the moment, okay? So where you need to buy, that's the major question. Probably it tries to go again down up to 11,800 level. This is the support level. It might try to touch this level 11,800. Check that level. If it holds 11,800 level, buy this, okay? Buy this. But if it fails to hold this level, then market will go into the bearish side, bearish mode. That's the reason. Do not try to buy below 11,800 at the moment. But if it holds this level, you need to buy from that level and keep on buying 11,000. If you buy 11,800, next buy level that will be 12,000, 12,500. This way you need to buy, okay? So and here in 12,200 there is major resistance and it is unlikely to break this level unless there is a positive economic policy, okay? If there is a positive economic policy, then it will cross and then this label will be changed edge. This is 12,200, okay? This is 12,200. This level will be changed from resistance to support level and it will keep on going up if economic policy that is not aggressive, if the economic policy that is soft, not tightening economic policy, if it is, then the market will go up. That will be determined on Wednesday. That's the reason Wednesday is the major day, okay? Just check what type of information Powell gives, okay? Based on that, we need to buy or sell decision we need to make, okay? So from this level, okay, if it's still tightening, okay, if it's still tightening, it will not cross this 12,200 and from that level it will go down. From that level you can start selling, okay? You can start selling and keep on selling even if it is neutral or if it is a tightening type of economic policy. Market still hesitates to go up. That's the reason you have to sell from this level, all right? So at the moment what's happening is that market just digest 0.75 interest rate already and then that has been already priced in. That's the reason even that is 0.75, it does not affect that much, okay? It doesn't affect that much in the market. But if it is less than that, let's say that if it is 0.50, then market will go up. That's one thing. And if economic policy is soft, or some glimpse the economic policy is going to be soft, then market will start going up and then this 11,000 from this level it will keep on going up. 11,000 that will be considered as a bottom and it continuously go up. All right guys, let's take some positive aspect. Market is highly possible to be sideways on Monday and Tuesday because investors they are waiting their major economic decision on Wednesday, okay? Daily candle indicates daily candle, that's Friday, especially Friday candle, that indicates that it is likely to be bullish next week. Just remember that it is likely to be bullish next week, but still it depends upon economic policy going to be released on Wednesday. If it holds 11,800 level, as I already mentioned, you will have buying opportunity in 11,800. 12,000, 12,200 and 12,400. These levels you can start to buy, and then maximum it can go up to 12,800 level for next week. Okay, that's the positive side. Okay, that's the positive side, that's the bullish side, that's the buying side. Okay? So what about selling side? Okay, possible interest rate hike has already priced in. Thereby, market will be affected only by Fed economic policy. That you need to understand, okay? It is possible to touch 12,200 that level before a fall. Sell in 12,200 if it doesn't cross that level. You need to understand, if it doesn't cross that 12,200 level, you need to start selling from that level. Next selling opportunity that will be in 12,000, next selling opportunity 12,800, but you need to keep a tight stop loss. And the next thing, this week focus on your size, okay, trade size, because there will be very high volatile, okay, especially Wednesday volatility will be very high. If you have a big size, and then if your equity is not that big, then your account can be wiped out. Need to understand, need to focus on that thing and trade carefully. Okay, so finally I would like to go the prediction. Let's go for the prediction of the week. What will happen this week? Let's quickly check the prediction of the week. Let's go. Market has entered the bearish mood. Already market has entered in the bearish mood, but some buying sentiment has been seen in the market. Okay, market already in bearish mood, but it is trying to be bullish. Okay, some buying signals has been seen, technical buying signal has been seen. We need to focus on those aspects also. Possible 0.75 interest rate has been priced in already. That has been priced in already, and even if it is 0.75, it will not go significantly down. The major market movement that is based on economic policy. Okay, buy if it holds 11,800 in different levels like 11,800, 12,000, 12,200, 12,400 with the target 12,800, and but sell if it cannot cross 12,200 in different points like 12,200, 12,000, 11,800 with the target 11,500. Okay, I hope that this video is helpful to analyze and predict coming weeks Nasdaq 100 future. If you like this video, thumb up. If you have any question, any concern, write down in the comment box. I will try to respond as soon as possible. And if you want this type of a video every week, I will create and upload this type of video every week in YouTube channel. Just subscribe the channel so that as soon as I upload the video, you will get the notification, and then you will not miss this video before making any investment decision. I would like to request you, do your own research as well. Okay, do your own research and make the investment decision. Thank you very much for watching this video.